Hi, my name's Melissa and I'm the Scrappy Gardener. Come with me today as I try to figure out where I'm going to plant these two hazelnuts. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I ended up deciding to plant the hazelnuts up the back of the property where they have plenty of room to grow. As you can see, it was very windy on the day of shooting this video. We live on the side of a mountain, so it can get very windy at times. I had to delete a lot of the content that I filmed due to the wind affecting the audio. I have my trusty dog Bear with me, keeping me company. I hope you can sit back and enjoy this video. And there you have it, one hazelnut planted in the ground. So as you can see, I've been putting some stakes and wire around the trees. I made the mistake when I planted my avocados that I didn't actually stake them, and a wombat come in and gnawed on the bark and killed it. I also have birds that like to dig around it, so I need to give them time to establish their root base. So this is the best way to protect our trees. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe. I'm the Scrappy Gardener.